Median of 60 observations is given below is 28.5. Find the values of x and y. Here class and frequencies are given. The median is given 28.5 and how many observations are there? 60. Means if you add all these frequency, all these observations, you will get 60. So now we have to find cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency, both are same. So first we write first frequency is same 5 by adding these two, 5 plus x. 5 plus x, 5x, not 5x, it is 5 plus x only because x value you don't know. So next 5 plus x plus 20 means 20 plus 5, 25 plus x will be remain same. Next 25 plus 15, 40 plus x will be same. 40 plus y, 40 plus x plus y. We don't know the x value, y value, so you have to plus x plus y like that only. 40 plus 5, 45. So we need to add only numbers. Next one. So what is n value? N is equal to, suppose first we have to add all the numbers. Remove x and y. First keep aside. 5 plus 20, 25. 25 plus 15, 40. 45, 45 plus x and plus y. So but given n is equal to how many observations? 60. Means 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So if you send plus 45 to that side, x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. So x plus y is equal to 15 plus 15. This is the equation 1. Let it be equation 1. Given median is equal to 28.5. This occurs in 20 to 30 class. 20 to 30 class. So suppose this is the median class. From this we know that this is the median class and it is CF and it is F, median class frequency. L means we have to add these two and by we have to divide with 2. For example, L is equal to 20 plus 20 by 2. L is equal to 20 plus 20 by 2. So 40 by 2, 2 ones are 2 20s. So L is equal to 20. Next one, N by 2. N by 2 means already we know that N means 60 by 2, 2 ones are 2 30s. So you can directly substitute N by 2 means 30. Next CF. What is CF here? 5 plus x. CF means 5 plus x. And F means 20. F means 20. H means 10. Difference of any two classes is na, so H is equal to 10 only. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So we know already 25.5 is the median. L means 20 plus n by 2 means 30 minus CF means 5 plus x by F means 20 into H means 10. So 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x by 20 into 10. So 28.5 plus 20 will become minus 20 is equal to, here only this balance, 30 minus 5 plus x by 20 into 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 28.5 minus 20 means 8.5 is equal to 30 plus into minus minus 5 plus into minus x by 2. Here 2 is dividing. If you send to this side, multiply. So 8.5 into 2 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x. So 30 minus 5 means 25 minus x. So 8.5 into 2 means 17. So send x to this side. 17 plus x is equal to 25. X is equal to, here minus x is there now. If you send to this side, it will become plus x. If you bring 17 this side, you will get minus. Here there is no symbol, plus 17. So assume that it is a minus 17. If you send to this side, it will become minus. So x is equal to 8. We know that x plus y is equal to how much? We know that x plus 5 is equal to 15 from equation 1. So that is x plus y is equal to 15. Substituting x value here, 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. Y is equal to how much? 7. Therefore x is equal to 8 and y is equal to, these are the final values.